So hello everyone, I am actually back after a long gap, right? So today we will be seeing like three internship opportunities, and as per the latest AI trends, we do have some AI internships role. So I will be explaining you the role, from where you got these roles, where you can apply it, and everything. So it would be useful for you. So without any delay, let's proceed into this video. So this is our first internship opportunity, and this is from Siemens Gamesa, that is a renewable energy company. So here it is a AI intern rota performance role, and the job location is going to be Bangalore. And here you can see the experience level is going to be yearly professional, that is for freshers, and it is a full-time role. So if you get into this internship, it would be full time. You'll be working as a full time, but it is a internship role. But after your performance, they would actually convert you to a full time role, that is like a permanent role. So you don't need to be confused about this. So let's scroll down here and see what is required. So you should be currently in a UG, PG or PhD, or you should be a recent graduate. So this means you are a 2026 or 2025 batch, and also that should be from engineering, science, mathematics or related field from some reputed institutions. Then you should have some ability to work from office for at least 3 months, and some proficiency in Python, MATLAB, LaTeX, and it is going to be a big plus for you. Then experience in data handling, applying the AI ML technologies for automations, and also ability to write some clean structured code and familiarity with version control systems like Git. So then you should have some good analytical and problem solving skill, clear communication skill, and this is going to be a collaborative approach suited for R&D environment and so things. So we have seen the first role. You can just click on apply here and apply for this role. Then this is the second role, that is from CAE. They are hiring for AI automation engineering intern, and then the job location is going to be the same, that is Bangalore, and the in Bangalore it is going to be Whitefield. And here if you scroll down, you can look at the things that is required. So you should know the basic understanding of AI, ML, LLMs, and then or automation concepts, and exposure to Python, Power Automate, Excel, APIs, and then some good analytical and problem solving skill, good communication and documentation skills. So preferred experience, like the preferred education is graduate or a postgraduate in engineering, and you should be from 2025 or 2026 batch. So you can see that the fresher who has been graduated in 2025, or students currently in their final year pursuing their graduation, that is 2026 batch and 2025 batch, can apply. As same as the Siemens Gamesa, you can also apply for this role. So we'll proceed to the last role, that is from Kaleris. They're hiring for intern software engineering role, and the job location is going to be Chennai, and they didn't structure their job description, but I'll show you what is required. BE or BTech in computer science, information technology, and then some proven object oriented skills with Java or C++, and experience in RDBMS, SQL, in SQL, that is Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL Server, and you should have some strong knowledge of design pattern, data structures, and strong analytical ability to debug and troubleshoot and all those things. And here also you can see like you should have some experience in programming for enterprise or web application, or knowledge of broader Java or JW stack, just like GDBSC, GMC, sorry, JMC, GBA, sorry, like I'm spelling wrong, sorry, and the knowledge of HTML5, CSS, JavaScript, Ajax, and various frameworks such like the Spring, and ability to contribute for some open sources projects and something like that. So I have skipped few lines. I'm sorry, like it is not actually structured right. So I have skipped from 1 to 2 lines. Sorry. So these are the three roles. I'll just provide you the links in the description. You can use that and apply for that. And that's the end of this video. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it to your friends. And I will meet you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye.